Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of HK10 Ultra 3 Max. We have yet another clone variant of Apple Watch Ultra 2 series. So we are going to see what are the differences and what are the features of these versions. So I've got these in two colors, one is in black and the other one is in silver color. So let me just quickly unbox this and show you what's inside the box. So I mean, they are releasing it regularly, almost it seems like, and we get a lot of versions, especially HK10 Ultra 3 series, HK series. They have a lot of variants that you can choose from. Currently, the one that I'm currently using is HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition. This one is HK10 Ultra 3 Max. So the name seems very confusing if you are looking for a clone in the market right now. So let me just quickly show you. Let me peel the plastic off. And honestly guys, if you already have HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition, I believe it is the best version in my opinion currently. The battery life is great and the performance is also very good. So if you don't have any clone watches currently, you can get this HK10 Ultra 3 Max. So as you can see inside the box, we have two straps. Let me just quickly show you. There is a quick start guide which is in Chinese and English language. So we don't need these actually. It's really easy to pair these watches. So this one, as you can see, we have two straps inside the box. So one is in black and the other one is we have a trial loop band which is in gray color. Looks really nice. So here is our charging dock, which you can also use if you previously own HK10 Ultra 3. You can use the same charging dock for this one as well. Here is the watch. Let me open this one as well. And as you can see, the packaging looks very similar to HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition WF. And this one does not have Wi-Fi, but it has a connection. You can connect to your personal hotspot because it has that feature. So here, as you can see, we also get two straps. One is in orange and this one is in white. So let me just take out these watches. So guys, it's good to see two straps inside the box. And you can buy this from AliExpress. I will put the link in the description. Seller is Zorwing. He's one of the best sellers on AliExpress. I never face an issue when purchasing from him. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off from the back. And yeah, as you can see, the black one looks really nice. And guys, I will be comparing this with the Hello Watch 4 Plus, and honestly I will say that Hello Watch 4 Plus, the battery life is not that great because of Android, and it has a SIM slot as well. So you can totally use it as a smartphone if you like. But because of that, the battery life is not that great. You get only 1 day of battery life. Compared to these you can get around 5 days of battery life. So let me just quickly turn this on and see if we have any juice inside this. Let me turn this on as well. I believe so. Yeah, we don't have battery in this one. So let me just quickly focus on the black variant only for now in this video. Let's put this to the side, and because there is no juice. It's the same guys, the menu is same and the processor is same, but we are focusing on the black variant. So oh yeah, it has sorry, it has battery. So as you can see, side by side comparison, which one do you like more? Let me know in the comments down below. I really like the black variant. It looks very similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra 2 series that comes in black, and it has antenna design on the bezels, as you can see on the sides. And on the back we have a heart rate sensor. There's a sticker on this one as well, so let me remove it. And yeah, the build quality is amazing guys. HK10 series, they are really making very similar build quality to Apple Watch Ultra 2, and in my opinion they look the best compared to other clone watches. So as you can see, and you can use the original Apple Watch Ultra cases on them. So let me just skip this one, and as you can see, these are really fast guys in terms of performance. it's the best in my opinion. So let me just quickly grab HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition and let's compare it with it. So here, as you can see, side by side comparison, both looks identical, and yeah, the build quality is also similar. So let me just go into menu. As you can see, the smoothness, this is really smooth, and HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition is a little bit, guys, a slightly smoother, looks smoother to me compared to HK10 Ultra 3 Max. But I don't know if you can tell the difference in this video, but in real life I believe HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition is slightly faster. So yeah, here is our watch face. As you can see, there is a tiny robot on the watch face, and you can turn this off. I will show you that later. So let me just quickly grab Hello Watch 4 Plus, and as you can see, this one is in silver, and the color is really off, guys. Honestly, it looks really dark, type of grayish you can say, but yeah, the color is really off from the original Apple Watch Ultra 2 as well. So I really don't like the color of Hello Watch 4 Plus. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this one. And as you can see in the settings, there is AI robot, and you can turn this off from the watch face. As you can see, if I turn this off, the robot will be no longer available on the watch face, as you can see. And it looks really annoying. I don't know why they put that in the first place, but I really don't like that. So you can turn, at least we have this option. As you can see, in this one it is turned on and looks quite annoying in my opinion. So let me just go into settings and show you how you can turn this off. AI robot, as you can see, turn this off from the watch face. Now looks really good. So yeah, let me know, guys, which version do you like, the black one or the silver one? And yeah, the display is amazing on HK10 series. They are using real AMOLED display, which is really nice. So let me just and the smoothness, guys, still HK series is the best in my opinion in terms of smoothness. Not a single clone comes near to the performance level of HK10 series. Like this video if you agree with me. And yeah, we have a lot of stuff in this one. As you can see, the bezel size also looks really nice. Looks quite a bit thick compared to HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. And there are our watch faces. These are the pre-installed watch faces, and let's see if there is any new watch faces. Currently there are no new watch faces. You can download more watch faces through Wear Fit Pro application, and you can also buy some of the watch faces if you like. I really like some of the paid watch faces. I will show you in the next video how you can buy them. So here, as you can see, same old thing. If you swipe from the right, you get widgets, and you can also pair your TWS Bluetooth earbuds as well, and you can add up to 20 to 30 songs in the watch. So let's check the heart rate sensor, and let's put this on the table. And guys, it's really unpredictable. Sometimes the HK series works on the table as well, and sometimes it does not. But if you are wearing the watch, it will measure your heart accurately. So let me just quickly show you this one, and as you can see, it's measuring now. But HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition, the Wi-Fi WF version, that has the best heart rate sensor in my opinion, because it does not measure on the table as well. And plus, as you can see, let me just quickly turn on the heart rate application, and let's put this on the table. And it will not measure, guys. It will give you a pop-up error. So here, as you can see, these two are reading. But honestly, guys, if you are wearing the watch, it will measure your heart rate accurately. Sometimes it does give you an error, sometimes it does not give you an error. So as you can see on the left hand side, We have HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi that gives us an error. So yeah, this one is the best in my opinion. These two also works really well if you are wearing them. So yeah, I wish guys, in my wish list I would like to see a watch that comes with auto brightness feature. Also I like to see tap to wake feature that comes in Hello Watch 4 Plus, but unfortunately we do not get to see this on HK10 series yet. So here's the game. As you can see, looks really nice and runs really smooth at 60 fps. So you can play this game as well, and you can download more from the VRFit Pro application. Here is the bezel size guys. As you can see, bezel is also quite thin. It is very similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra 2, I will say, the bezel size. Here is the compass application and the weather application. You need to pair it with your smartphone to be able to see the weather. So here is our activity mode. And the crown key haptic feedback is also really nice. So these are the menus that you can choose from: curved view, grid view, gravity sensing. I really like the waterfall view. I like it, the stock view, and as you can see I also like the list view. It's really smooth. So we have AI robot, app market, dial market. So you can connect to your hotspot and you can download these applications as well. So we have that option if you, because this does not have Wi-Fi in it and it only has Bluetooth. So we have calculator application, compass, blood sugar level. So all the great features are available in this watch. But if you honestly guys, if you already have HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition especially, so there's no need to upgrade in my opinion, because we do not get to see major changes in terms of software and the hardware as well. But overall, if you don't own any of the smartwatches, you can buy this version because it is the latest model. And yeah, as I've previously told you, the haptic feedback is really nice compared to HK10 Ultra 3 Wi-Fi edition. Here is the sports mode animation, and it is also very similar to the original Apple Watch series Ultra 2. So the raise to wake feature is also really nice, and we have 6 always on display themes, which is also very nice. So let me just select this one. We have palm gesture as well, as you can see. So yeah, quite really looks nice on the wrist. And let me just quickly turn this on. As you can see, always on display looks really nice, and I believe you get around 2 days of battery life with the always on display on. Without it you can get around 5 days, which is really nice to see still. And it's a lot better than real Apple Watch Ultra 2 in my opinion, because of the price. Let me know in the comments down below guys. If you like this video, please leave a comment down below and click on that like button. It really helps the channel a lot. And I would like to thanks all of you for watching my videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for that. Allah Hafiz.